Are you tired of only hearing about how being a homeowner is better than being a renter? Well, today we're going to talk about the advantages that renters have over homeowners when it comes to investing. I'm Misty Lynch, the author of Demystifying Money, and you've probably heard that buying a house is the best way for people to build wealth. However, homeowners have to come up with a large down payment and of course cover ongoing maintenance costs, which eats into any budget that you might have for saving or investing. Renters' money is typically more liquid as well, meaning they could take advantage of different opportunities because their money isn't tied up into their home equity, which could be difficult to tap depending on interest rates. Renting makes it easier to move for job opportunities as well, which could mean bigger paychecks, better benefits, and create more money to invest. Might also be the only option to live in a town that's become too expensive to buy in, that might have better career opportunities, a better commute, or better public schools. So deciding to rent can actually be a strategic financial decision. If you want to know more about making smart investments as choices as a renter, drop your questions below or follow me here for more money tips.